AI rating jobs exist because companies need human feedback to improve artificial intelligence systems, but they are usually project-based tasks rather than a traditional full-time job. By the end, you'll know how AI rating work actually functions, what these tasks involve, and what to check before deciding if it is worth your time in 2026. AI rating jobs involve reviewing and evaluating AI-generated content. Workers may be asked to compare responses, check whether an answer follows instructions, identify mistakes, or provide feedback that helps improve AI models. The purpose of this work is to give AI systems better examples of what people consider accurate, useful, and appropriate. Companies use human reviewers because AI models still need human judgment to improve. The work is usually completed through online platforms that connect businesses with people who can complete specific evaluation tasks. The application process can vary, depending on the platform. Some companies may require profile information, assessments, language skills, or qualification tests before offering tasks. Passing an assessment does not always guarantee constant work. The amount of available projects depends on company demand, your qualifications, and the specific programs you are accepted into. AI rating work is flexible because many tasks can be completed remotely. However, it is different from a regular job because there may not be a fixed schedule, guaranteed hours, or consistent project availability. Before applying, check the company carefully. Look for clear information about the work process, payment terms, and requirements. Avoid websites that promise guaranteed income from simple AI tasks or ask you to pay money to access opportunities. Legitimate AI rating platforms generally explain what the work involves before you begin. The best way to evaluate these opportunities is to treat them as flexible online work. If you enjoy detailed tasks, reviewing information, and following instructions, AI rating may be a good fit. If you need predictable income or a guaranteed number of hours, project-based AI work may not provide that stability. The main points are simple. AI rating jobs involve human feedback on AI systems. Available work depends on project demand, and you should verify the platform before investing your time. Your next step is to research the company offering the AI rating opportunity, review the requirements, and decide whether the tasks match what you are looking for. If this helped you understand whether getting paid to rate AI is a real opportunity in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online earning reviews.